Hello, Earth citizens. In this video, I will show you a 10-minute routine to do for TMJ and teeth grinding. So TMJ is temporal mandibular joint, and that's a big fancy word for a bone that's right under your temples and connects your jaw joint right here. So when you place your fingers right at the side near your temples, like underneath your temples in front of your ears, and you open your mouth like this, you can feel a joint there moving. So TMJ stands for that joint. So when people have pain and tension here, which is actually quite common in our modern society, unfortunately, it's because they're holding a lot of stress. Unconscious stress in their brain that manifests as tension in your joint. And when there's tension in this joint here, this joint right here, then that leads to teeth grinding at night. So all of the root causes of TMJ and teeth grinding is actually rooted in subconscious stress. You might be aware of some stress in your life, but if you have a lot of pain and tension here, there's actually more stress that you are absorbing into your body underneath your conscious level that is causing tension here. So in this set of exercises, we'll address some tension here and help with the symptoms, the pain, the tension of TMJ. These exercises are not meant to cure teeth grinding or cure TMJ so that now, poof, you're not grinding your teeth anymore and there's no pain here. That's not the purpose of these exercises. The purpose is to help alleviate the pain and tension you might be having from tension and stress here. All right? Okay, so first, sit in a comfortable place. So you can sit in a chair too if it helps you. You can lean back against the wall if that helps you too. I suggest actually leaning back on something so that your head is supported from the back, because we're going to be pushing and massaging your face and it might cause some neck pain and tension if you have stress here. So I actually suggest leaning back on a wall or leaning back on a chair so your head and neck are supported. All right, so stay here. And first, close your eyes, relax your arms down, take a deep breath in, and a sigh out. Again, breathe in. When you sigh out all the stress in your body as much as you can. Imagine it leaving your body through your exhale. And one more time, breathe in. Sigh out the stress. Great. Now open your eyes. Now take your fingertips, curve your fingers, and especially these two fingers right here. If you want, you could just do these two fingers. So get these two fingers, place the fatty rounded tips of these fingers right on that jaw joint. So here, where you open your mouth and you can feel the movement, place your fingers here, and first gently make little circles around your joint. So not big at all. Place your fingers right on your face without moving. So your fingers stay in that one place and they just move around like this. So what I mean by not moving is not like this, okay? Not like this. Make them stay put in one place and then pivot. Pivot here. You can close your eyes too and just listen to my voice. Or if it helps you to watch, that's okay too. Okay, so massage your TMJ, your joint. And then the important thing here is you don't want to clamp down on your jaw. So that's counterintuitive. If you clamp down on your jaw, you're causing stress on your jaw joint. So leave your mouth slightly open like this. Like when you fall asleep in the back of a car. Like this. Okay? So leave your mouth slightly open and massage here. Small pivots. Really pushing into your jaw joints, and if you have a lot of tension here, you might already feel some pain. That's okay. Don't be afraid of the pain. Feel the pain and breathe it out through your exhale. Exhale through your mouth. Let's massage like this for 1 minute. Keep breathing out through your mouth. That exhale is very important to release the stress and tension you're holding in your jaw. Ah. 30 more seconds. Push from the fatty part of your fingers gently around. As you exhale, imagine the stress from your jaw joint leaving your body through your mouth. Okay, now keep your fingers here and now move up and down. Up and down. And for this one, you don't have to place it in one spot. You can move a little bit up and down too, okay? So up and down, following your bone structure. So push up and down your bone. Following your bone structure. Same thing, keep your mouth slightly open. Exhale out through your mouth. As you breathe, the stress and tension from your jaw is leaving your body. Let's do this for 1 minute. Up and down, up and down. So you can move around that area a little bit. Follow your body. Your body knows exactly where it wants the massage. And where it wants the massage, it intuitively knows that there's tension there. So please follow what your body is saying and massage up and down around that joint. 30 more seconds. Okay, stop. Now we're gonna do with our thumbs. So when you do with your thumbs, you want to put your thumbs here and your fingers here to hold your hands in place. So hold the top of your head with your fingers like this and place your thumbs right on your TMJ. So right where that hinge, that jaw hinge is right there. And then now with this, with the fatty part of your thumbs, make circles on your TMJ. So here, find the place that you feel tension, feel some stress, and focus on that point. So follow your body's voice. When you massage with your thumbs, it will feel slightly different from doing it with your 2 fingers. Keep your jaw relaxed and breathe. Let's do this for 1 minute. As you exhale, stress and tension from your jaw and your brain leave your body. Did you know that your jaw is directly connected to your brain? So that is why I say the state of your brain stress causes clamping and tension in your jaw. When you can relax your jaw, your brain relaxes too. And vice versa, when you relax your brain, your jaw will also relax. 30 more seconds. Do you feel some pain coming to the surface? If you're sensitive to energy, you might feel some heat in your body. Heat in your body means circulation is happening, blockages are releasing. You're doing great. Okay, stop. Now, get all of your fingers and tap. Leave your jaw open so that the hinge opens. That's the very important part. Hinge open and tap. with your fingers. With these 3 fingers here, with the fatty part, I'm tapping here. Like this. So tap all around your TMJ, even the upper part and the lower part. Lower part too, upper and lower. So wherever you feel more tension, some people hold more tension at the upper part, some people hold more tension in the lower part. You'll know when you tap where you hold more tension, more pain, more sensitivity. Wherever you find it, tap there, leaving your jaw open, breathe out. You can make gentle ah sounds too. It'll help. It'll help release the tension. Relax your wrists. It's very important to keep your wrists relaxed so you're not doing this. Relax your wrists and tap into your skin, into your bone. Let's tap here 1 more minute. So try to tap a little hard. No pain, no gain. Even though it might be painful, if you tap too softly, that tension won't leave your body as well. So tap a little bit harder. 30 more seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Stop. Great job. Now for the last finale, let's sweep down our face. So rub your palms together. And now without touching your face, sweep up and out. Sweep up and out. Energy facial wash. Sweep up and out. Up. Without touching your face, just with energy. 5 more times. Okay, stop. Now rest your hands on your knees. Keep your eyes closed. Breathe in. Sigh out. Stress from your jaw is leaving through your exhale. Again, breathe in. Sigh out. Open your eyes. Feel your jaw. How does your jaw area feel? Do you feel a little bit less pain? Does this area feel lighter? You did great. Keep repeating this exercise every single day to release tension. Just doing one 10-minute routine won't help release the tension right away. You need to keep tapping, keep massaging, keep opening so that the tense muscles here and the tension in the joint can slowly unravel and start to relax. But as I mentioned, it's caused by stress. So if you have a lot of brain tension, so many things on your mind, then it causes direct tension in your jaw here too, which leads to teeth grinding at night from subconscious stress. So if you can, try to do some yoga and meditation to help release the stress from your life, and it will directly affect the tension in your jaw and also teeth grinding. To experience a full 1-hour brain education based class, please visit a local body and brain yoga studio near you.